Hey guys, welcome back to Melinda's Homemaking Life. Today's video, we're starting out with bedroom refresh. It's time to change the sheets in our house. So we are going to go ahead and put on our Christmas quilts, and then we're going to be working on closets and dressers as well. So let's go ahead and get into today's bedroom clutter, organize, and refresh.
Try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood.
Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me. No, I can't get enough of what you do. No, I can't get enough of what you do. Enough of what you do.
I'll give you my everything. It's not much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me. No, I can't get enough of what you do. The one who saves me.
One bedroom done. Now moving on to Tyler's bedroom. You'll notice that we shut the door so that Allie wouldn't be in here driving us crazy while we're trying to make the bed. She always has to be in the middle of everything. Abe does too, but not quite as bad as Allie. So he's too big to get up on the bed and too old now. So we're going to go ahead and get Tyler's bed transformed. I have no idea what is going on with my shirt. So I am not pregnant. I am too old to be pregnant, but I kept looking. I don't know what happened. I almost cut it out, but it happens for so long. I was like, okay, I could just make fun of myself. Who cares?
It was a Thursday night when I first saw you. Those green eyes caught me. Yeah, it was crazy. It was a Friday night when I first kissed you. It struck me like lightning. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day, yeah, every day, babe. Used to be scared of letting someone get close without the filters, but you see the real me. Since I let you in under my skin, I'm more free than I have ever been. You broke my chains and released me. And days turned into nights on the couch in your apartment. No, I am not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you come.
Now that the bedrooms are done, we are going to swap out some of my husband's clothes from one closet to the other, and then we're going to clean out his closet. There are several items that need to be donated, so he's going to go through both of his closets and come up with our donation.
And I will come running, yeah, every day, 24/7, yeah, every day, I will come running, babe. Every day, yeah, every day, babe. And days turned into nights on the couch. No, I'm not the same. Everything has changed. Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe.
If you are new here to Melinda's Homemaking Life, I want to welcome you and thank you so much for stopping by to watch today. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Melinda. My husband's name is Ray. We are empty nesters. We have a 24-year-old son who is out on his own. On Melinda's Homemaking Life, you're going to see lots of cleaning motivation. We're going to do clean with me videos, laundry motivations. We're going to do power hours. We are going to tackle all of the everyday chores that make sure that your house is in order.
I wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Time to figure out what this could be. I dreamt of a life in a small town that wasn't enough for you somehow.
So full confession, I have not cleaned out my dresser in like forever. I do better with my closet because I get tired of seeing stuff, but tell me, how often do you guys clean out your dressers?
I was at the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love out loud, love out loud, love out loud, love out loud. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh.
Hey guys, I just thought of another question. Am I the only one that has a million pairs of pajamas? I don't know why I like pajamas so much, but I have like drawers full, as you guys can see. Let me know in the comments, do you have lots of pajamas as well?
Into the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now.
All right, guys, we're coming to the end of our video. I have done my to-do list for today. Wanted to tell you thank you so much for following along and joining us today. If you liked this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and make sure that you hit that subscribe button so that you catch all of the rest of my videos. Also, don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you guys in the next one.